If you feel like OneDrive is taking up too much space on your computer or you're running low on cloud storage, you're definitely not alone. Today, I'll walk you through 3 easy and effective ways to free up space on OneDrive by transferring files to your computer. By the end of this video, you'll be able to keep files exactly where you want them, either on your PC, in the cloud, or both, making your storage more manageable and your computer faster. Let's jump right in with the first method, which is best if you want to keep your files but move them off OneDrive. Start by opening File Explorer. You'll find this by clicking the little folder icon on your taskbar or pressing Windows+E. Navigate to your OneDrive folder on the left side. This is where all the files synced to your OneDrive account are stored on your computer. Now, take a moment to decide which files or folders you want to move onto your PC. Maybe these are old projects, photos, or documents you need for offline work, but you don't want them syncing with the cloud every time you open them. To move or copy these files, simply right-click the selected items and choose Copy. It's like picking up a stack of folders without actually removing them just yet. Open a new File Explorer window, say your Documents folder under C/users/your name/documents. Right-click in the empty space and select Paste. At this point, you've got 2 versions of your files. One in OneDrive and one on your PC. Now head back to your OneDrive folder, right-click those same files and choose Free Up Space. You'll see a little cloud icon appear. This means they're now only stored online, not taking up space on your computer. If you don't need these files in the cloud at all anymore, you can simply delete them from your OneDrive folder. Just remember, deleting removes them from the cloud and all devices synced with OneDrive, so only do this if you're sure. The second method is perfect if you want to keep accessing your files from anywhere, but don't want them taking up local disk space. This leverages a feature called Files on Demand. Click the OneDrive cloud icon, it's usually near the clock on your taskbar. Go into Settings, then Sync and Backup, and click Manage Backup. Make sure folders like Desktop, Documents, and Pictures are checked if you want them synced. Now here's the magic. In your OneDrive folder, right-click any file or folder and choose Free Up Space. The file will stay visible in your file list with a little cloud symbol, and it won't take up space locally unless you open it, which is super handy for large files you rarely use but want quick access to. Conversely, if there are files you always need offline, right-click them and choose Always Keep on this device. You'll see a green checkmark appear, so you'll know those files are always available, even without internet. For the third approach, sometimes we just need to declutter. Open your OneDrive folder in File Explorer and try sorting by size or date modified. This helps you quickly spot old or huge files you may have forgotten about. Maybe it's that massive video project from last year or duplicate photos you don't need anymore. Carefully select what you no longer need, right-click and delete. Don't worry if you accidentally delete something. It'll first move to your computer's recycle bin. If you're happy with your choices, right-click the recycle bin on your desktop and select Empty Recycle Bin. This final step permanently frees up space, always a good feeling. That's it, 3 smart ways to take control of your OneDrive storage and keep your files right where you need them. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another storage topic you'd like me to cover. Don't forget to subscribe for more clear, practical tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.